Hello everyone.
Hello.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
And a very energetic morning to our sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So guys, I am Siksha Tiwari standing before you, and today I will tell you about success. Means my topic is success. Okay, and before starting my speech, I want to tell something that success is not an accident. Success is not an accident. It is the result of the hard work. So guys, are you ready to hear the speech?
Yes.
Okay. So now, who are present here? Most of the you have heard the word success. Who all have heard?
We all have heard.
You all have heard?
Yes.
And most of the you want to become the successful.
Yeah.
Okay. So when we think about success, so here's many more questions in our mind, that what is a success and how we can recognize it. So everyone has the different meaning of success, and success is not any place or not any place. It is a long process. Okay, so if we take an example that what is a success and how we can recognize it, so everyone has the different measurement to measure the success. If we can take an example, like if we take Riya Didi, so she has a different goal, so she want to different in her life, so she has different expectations from her life, and for success is different for her. And if we take Pragya Didi, so she has for her success has different meaning for her also. So success is not only one thing, that it is only one thing. Everyone relate it in different ways, that what he want to do in his life and what he want to become. Everyone means you all are came here to learn the English. So if you will be fluent in English, so it will be your success. Okay, it is short term success for you, but it is success. So I want to tell you that don't afraid with the failures, because if you are positive person, everything depends on your attitude. If you're positive, so if you will fail in your life, not in life, at least one short failure. If you fail, if you're learning from your failures, then if you're learning, so it is good for you. You will do the best in your life if you are if you are learning something with failures. If you are not learning with failures, so it is not good for you, because sometimes somebody just give up when he got failed. So I want to tell you that sometimes the people just forgive when they are just achieving the goals. About achieving the goals, they are so near to the success. So I want to tell you a quote that the winners don't do the different thing. The winners don't do the different thing, but they do the same thing differently. But they do the same thing differently. As yesterday I have said that my inspiration is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So I also want to say some lines which he had said, that इंतजार करने वालों को सिर्फ उतना ही मिलता है, कि इंतजार करने वालों को सिर्फ उतना ही मिलता है जितना कोशिश करने वाले छोड़ जाते हैं. So I want to appreciate to all of you, because you all have heard me so patiently and so carefully. So thanks to all of you, and I want to thank to Bhuvan sir for everything what he taught us and told us. Thank you, sir.